Okay, so in 12.3, we want to do, 12.3, we want to do numbers 23 and 24, which are supposed to be translations of the graph y is x over 2. Oh, which they have handily provided here. Okay, so that's a line with slope what?
X over 2.
1/2. Right, the x is supposed to be there. So I'm looking at this and I'm thinking, okay, this guy is line, slope 1/2, and intercept 0, right? 0, 0. Okay. So in number 23, I've got a line that's got slope what? Still 1/2, right? I can read that off right here because it's sort of 2 over 1 up, right? Okay, so it's same slope, but now the intercept is 3. Okay, so what happened to this graph?
It got shifted up by 3.
Yeah, so to get from there to here, we went up 3, right? So how could I write the equation of that? So for number 23, I could take my, I don't know, I guess they didn't tell me what to call these. Maybe I should call this one f, right? So I'll think f of x for that one. Maybe I'll call this one, I don't know, what's a creative name for this one? G. Okay, so what's the relationship between g and f? So g of x is f of x plus 3. Good, because it's a vertical shift, right? It happens after the rule. Okay, and I know what f of x is, right? It's x over 2. So this is x over 2 plus 3. And if I'm writing this kind of as traditional, right, as a line, I would write that as y is x over 2 plus 3. So that's 23. Does that make sense? I could have read that off, right, by saying, oh, it's a line. It's got a slope of 1/2 and an intercept of 3. So it's got to be y is a half x plus 3. How about this other one?
It's the same thing, but the intercept is minus 3.
Yeah, so the difference here was shift down 3. So how do I down 3? So for number 24, I want g of x, or maybe h of x I'd call this, is f of x minus 3. So the equation on this one would be y is x over 2 minus 3. Cool. So either way on these, really, right? I could either think about them as a shift up 3 and down 3, or I could just read the equations off because I know things about lines. They give the same answer, which is good. That should be consistent. Questions on any of this?